So my dear student friends, good morning once more. I am with you here. This is Sir Abhijit conducting online classes for Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Kokrajhar for class 10, and subject is information technology and the code is 402. And after spreadsheet we are in part B, unit 6, and we are going to start another very important concept for you all. This is also part of vocational skill. Why vocational skill? Because whatever you are learning today, this is going to help you in your future. Okay, so take my lessons very seriously, take my lessons very nicely, carefully, watch it again and again. And today we are going to start database development. Okay, so in database development we have so many things. First thing is data. I'm sure if I ask you what is the meaning of data, you can tell me the meaning of data is any piece of information is called as data. And if I ask you what is database, a database is an organized collection of data. It helps us to enter, manage, access and analyze a large amount of information quickly and efficiently. See my dear students, knowingly unknowingly we are using database in our daily life. Okay, how? I will tell you how. See the mobile phone that you are handling, that is a database. How? Because it contains your friend's phone number. So your friend's phone number is a data. It contains your photos. Your photos is a data. It contains the videos. The videos are the datas. So you see, every day we are using database. We are handling database in our daily life. We maintain our personal address diaries, wherein we record addresses and telephone numbers of our friends. We maintain the information alphabetically so that whenever any information is needed, we could browse and extract the information quickly. You see, whenever we go for railway reservation, online railway reservation, so we need to create a form fill up. We need to do a form fill up. Suppose think of whenever, suppose if I'm using rediffmail.com, whenever I go for using rediffmail.com, and if I go on creating a new account, if I go on creating a new account, it will ask me so many things. Okay, what it will ask me? It will ask me full name. It will ask me to choose a Rediff ID. It will ask me to set a password, and it will ask me to set an alternate email address, as well as it will ask me phone numbers. It will ask me my date of birth with day, month and year, the gender that I'm in, the place where I live in, my city, and finally create my account. So when I create my account, what do you think? Where all this data goes? Where all this data goes? What do you think? Do these data get vanished somewhere? No, not at all. This data get inside a database. This information get inside a database. And when next time you try to log in again, your these credentials are checked, your these databases are checked. Okay, your these databases are checked, and then you get the options to log in, and then you are able to log in actually. So you see, we have been using databases from so many days, from so many times, from starting from telephone diary to email address to telephone numbers, and photos, videos, audios and files, folders, so many things. So already we know that what is a database. There is no doubt and confusion on database. Now you see database management or database development. Now we have to manage this database management system. And what we do in database management system, we add data, we update our data, we sort the data, we edit data, we delete our data, correct na? Like if you are in Facebook, suppose it is not a crime being in Facebook. Suppose if you are in Facebook, you add your profile pic from time to time, you update your post from time to time, you edit your post from time to time, and also you delete your post from time to time. So where this data goes? Yeah, 100% this data goes inside a database. Definitely these data are going inside a database. Here also you see that it is going inside this values. Once I click in create my account, this will go here. It will not, because I have not input all the credentials here. Once I complete inputting all the credentials here and I click create my account will be created, and this data will go inside a database. Now coming to database management system. A database management system is a software. Actually it is a software, and I can say it's a computerized record keeping system that enables you to create, store, modify, extract information from a database. Okay, extract information from a database management system. Now to manage this database, now you also can create something like this. Okay, it's possible. So now to manage this database we require software, and that software will be termed as database management system software. And in advanced we can also say RDBMS, relational database management system software. There are now the software that we are going to use, to maintain the database or to learn database. Here one of the popular software that we have is, it's already on here, and it is, you can see, it is Microsoft Access. So with the help of Microsoft Access we are going to learn in details about database and database management system. Now there are types of data, two types of database. One is flat file database. A flat file database refers to the data files that contains record which have small fixed number of fields without any structured relationship. Okay, flat file database means low capacity database. And another is relational database. Relational database means that there will be relation in between the database, there will be connectivity in between the database, there will be connectivity in between the tables, there will be relation building in between the tables. Now tables, that I have just used the word tables, you will come to know what is table, where from table is coming in database. You may be confused, sir has said just now database. No, sir is saying about table. So a table will come just within a few more minutes, table will come. So two types of database, one is flat file database with a low capacity and a relational database with a very high capacity. Okay, some examples of relational database management system softwares are Microsoft Access is one relational database management system software. So my dear students, we are not with low capacity, we are with high capacity. Okay, as I said, the types of database, flat file database and relational database. Flat file database with low capacity and relational database with high capacity, and we are using Microsoft Access software, and Microsoft Access software is an example of relational database management system software.